Have you ever wondered why people use trending music on TikTok? 88% of people on TikTok say audio is essential to their overall experience on the app. So you can definitely use it to your advantage. Hi, I'm Catherine, and in this video I will show you how to find and add trending music on TikTok to help your tourism business to get noticed. So let's get started. Trending music is a piece of audio that is going viral on TikTok. If you're scrolling through your FYP For You page, which is essentially your homepage, and keep hearing the same song over and over, it's a trending song. Trending songs can help your tourism business to get noticed because TikTok shows users content similar to what they've previously watched. Your potential customers are likely watching trend-based videos. So if you join and use that trending music on your TikTok, you improve your likelihoods of being discovered. To find trending music on TikTok, you can look in several places. Start by scrolling on TikTok. You will begin to hear the same music over and over, which shows you that it's popular and trending. Now go to the search bar by tapping on the magnifying glass on the top right and search for trending sounds. Click See More to see a range of popular songs on the app. You can also Google TikTok Creative Center. Now go to the menu on the right side and search for songs. TikTok tells you what songs are rising in popularity and which are dwindling. You can filter these by yesterday, 30 days, and 120 days. It's best to filter by yesterday so you're up to date with the latest trends. It is simple to add trending music to your TikTok. If you hear a song on TikTok that you like, tap on the small sound circle button on the bottom right next to the song name and tap Use this sound. If you find a song you like outside of TikTok, you can use it too. To do that, create your TikTok by clicking on the black plus button at the top of your screen. Hit Add Music and search for the name of the song in the search bar. If you hear trending music that you like and want to use it later, then you can save it. To do it, tap on the spinning circle on the bottom right and click Add to Favorites. Now if you want to find and use your saved song, just create a TikTok and tap on Add Music. Then switch from Discover to Favorites. Tap on the sound you want to use by clicking on the red tick. So there you have it. In other videos, we'll cover how to find trending music on Instagram and how to add transitions to grab attention on Reels. I'll see you next time.
And don't forget, for more great tips, resources, and insights to further fuel your marketing success, be sure to visit our business support hub at VoltaIreland.ie.